How to remove a picture or video from core background on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, open up the phone application. Next, tap on the More button, and from the pop-up menu, tap on Settings. Now in Core Settings, we go down and tap on Core Background. Next, tap on Background. Here, to remove the pictures and videos, simply select a default feature background. Here is the default feature background. Then tap on Set as Core Background. And that's it. We have now removed pictures and videos away from your core background. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.